So here we have the Mini Cooper S All-4 Countryman on an 11 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's got alloy wheels, finished in blue but with white roof and mirror caps. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have the twin tailpipes, unique to the Cooper S variant of this car. Reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well. You can increase this space further should you wish to by removing that tray section. You can slide the rear seats forward and backwards in 2 sections, and they also fold down in 3 different sections should you wish to do that. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, the digital readout for the speedometer, and then beneath that, you can see the total miles of the car. Firstly, they are 64,754. The information displayed directly above that can be changed by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip, computer, and fuel economy information. Over into the sensor next, we have the main speedometer for the car, and of course the main screen, as you can see, where you would, amongst other things, pair up your phone. Just follow the instructions on screen from there to do that. When it comes to radio, we have FM, as you can see, DAB and AM as well. All of the movement that you see me making on the screen is being done using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So you can go back to the home screen from there at any time and then use the dial. So for example, to listen to your own music, press the dial down. You can see we have USB input, auxiliary input. We've also got a CD player available to us as well. The main fuel gauge is just there. Below that we have the CD player, the volume for the stereo, and then our air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you set here, of course. We have a heated rear screen. Our driver side, front and rear electric windows, passenger side, deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. We have front and rear fog lights. Press that button if you want to turn on effectively the child locks for the rear windows. You can put the car in sport mode. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. You can also turn off your traction control from here. And then we have the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.